Hi guys, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. We're going to do an unboxing of the Fat Quarter Shop monthly subscription box, but I also placed an order with them and I'm going to open that package and share with you all the finds that I found. So stick around. Alright, so here's my sew sampler box and let's open it. Now I have tape on both of my hands because I'm working and I needed a little extra padding on my hands after the surgery for carpal tunnel. They're doing really well. It looks worse today than normal because I have it bandaged up because I'm working with hammers and paintbrushes and hence my beautiful work clothes. Alright, so I've opened this up and first thing I see is this. It says you get a free quick press seam roller with a $40 purchase and 30% off. A vintage strawberry cutting mat. Well, that's a good deal. 30% off a cutting mat. All right, so this is Fat Quarters box. You have to stare at me. Sorry, but let's see what's in there. So we've got this. It says Gone Coastal, and this is the March 2022 box. It is now April 22nd. We're getting close to being caught up. All right, now you might hear noise in the background. It's just the guy's working. Oh, look at this pretty fabric. All right, so the fabric we have in here is called Stacy Lou Sue HSU, I don't know how to say that, for Moda Fabrics. It's called Wiped Out C and Me. It's a junior layer cake. So there's only 20 in there instead of 40, and it's rolled up. And we're going to look at that in a minute. And nope, we're going to look at it right now because I'm dying to know what's in there. And see if I can get in there. I've been painting a dark gray, so if you see funny spots or colors on me, you'll know what it's from. All right, let's get this off of there. Okay, so here's the designer. The C and Me. All right. Oh, look how pretty. This is a retail value of $18.98. Let's try it this way. So we got this one. Those little mermaids. Here it is in pink. And this looks like a coral reef.
It is.
Okay, we have this. Just like melons and teal, green seem to be the colors. Look at this. Sea creatures. And here it is in another color. This has a little crab. There's actually a lot of little things in there. Coral. Let's see. Seahorse. Here is the blue way. And I still can't use my fingers. All right, this one. All right. Oh, that's pretty. I love that color. So if you haven't figured out, I'm having a hard time with my fingers, and that's how I knew I needed to get carpal tunnel dealt with, because I've got permanent damage and I can't feel very well, and it's going to take a while, if ever, for me to get the sensation back. So it's like, I don't know if I ever pick things up or not, but that, if you see me struggling, that's why. There, that is in like a, oh, it's a tangerine color. It is so pretty. There's our coral. Here it is in the green. There we go. Sit down, but it's there. Pink. There's 20 in here, and what I like is there's no repeats. Okay, this one looks super light. It is. It's super, super light pink. And here it is, the last one. Wow. Very pretty. And it didn't get put down very well, but that's just pretty. Love it, love it, love it. Let's put that right here. All right, gone coastal. Okay, here we go. 1898 with that, and then we get Snail Trail Foundation Paper by It's So Emma. And here is the Snail Trail block. I have seen these. I've also done a lot with the It's So Emma, and I love their stuff. And I've not made one of these yet, but they've given us that. Oh, they've even used this fabric on the pattern. This is a value of $7.98. There is a tutorial on YouTube for this at It's So Emma. Okay, we also get self-cleaning silicone brush. I don't know if you can see this. Looks like it's called a 2-in-1 Happy Mat. And it's actually quite thick. I don't want to open the package because I might give this away. But actually I might keep this because it will clean off your mat. Very handy. Very, very handy. Fatquartershop.com. I don't know who makes it. Maybe it's Fat Quarter product. So we have that. This might not be a very good idea. The value of that is $8.98. We also get the Riley Blake Beauty Trio. Riley Blake Designs is expanding our happiness from our sewing stash to our beauty kits. This trio of sanitizer, lip balm, and hand lotion is designed with cute quilty inspirations and is so handy, SCW, to have in your bag every day. And like an ocean breeze, the beachy scents will also leave you feeling relaxed and refreshed. And this is hand sanitizer. Look how cute that is. It's flat, but you push down on it and it squirts. And we've got that. And here is our hand cream Coconut Dreams. Look how cute. Everything is, quilting. And this last one is a lip balm. I'm not going to open it just yet. But I hear that it's yummy. Let's see what it says in here. It doesn't tell me the color, or it's pink. It doesn't tell me the flavor, but regardless, look how adorable these are. And on top it has the little Riley Blake bird. Is it right side up? Nope, there we go. Bird. So the retail value for these items is $6.96. That makes these about a little over $2 a piece. I'd be surprised if that's all that these are selling for in a store. So I definitely think that's a really good deal. So we put this up here. Nope, we're giving up on that idea. It was an idea. I said yeah for a minute. All right. Okay. We have the Bright Side Quilt Along. It's finally time to reveal this stunning quilt. This month you receive the final quilt block pattern as well as the finishing pattern. We hope this quilt brightens up your day. So here's the finished quilt with Sherry. And let's find the block stuff. right. Okay, so here's our block pattern, and here is the finished quilt assembly. Awesome. That's a value of $9.96. We also get a quilt pattern called Wipeout. It's a value of $9.98, and it has all those little swirls in there. And with this fabric on it, it's adorable. Who makes this? Who designed it? I think it's a Fat Quarter Shop pattern. Has their name on the back, so I would assume that it is, but this is really cool. This is valued at, I think I said that, $9.98. What else did I miss? That was it. That box just had so much stuff in there, and I love the colors. So let me know what you think about this box. I'm definitely happy with the box. Sometimes I'm, some boxes are better than others, and this is one of my favorites so far. I totally forgot. P.S. We're gonna do an unboxing. I got a package also from Fat Quarter Shop. This is an order I did, and I told you at the beginning I was gonna share with you what I got. Got a little excited when the box was done. Usually I don't have something extra. So these are things that I had purchased off of their website, and you know me, I love a good sale, so none of this was very expensive. So first thing I have on here is, oh, I remember these. It's the Open Heart 10-inch square by Maureen Cracknell for Art Gallery Fabrics. Might have been like a deal of the day. I don't know if you can find it. I'm always, like I said, just randomly finding things, but that is so pretty. Of course, it's not open. Doesn't have anything on the back. I didn't want to open it. I don't want to open it, but I will. I know I'm going to keep this. Anticipation, it's killing me. Okay, oh, whoop, I guess it came out of its sleeve. There we go. Okay. Oh, look. All right, how's that? Isn't that beautiful? Large print, kind of a, cameos back there. Just, I'm not doing a very good job. I have seen, and I think I've even used this fabric. So pretty. And the husband's staring at me. What am I doing? I'm showing off my fabric. Okay. Look, that's an interesting one. So we have that. Okay, what else did we get? We got Armor Green Sprigs Yardage. So I got, looks like I took what was left, and that's 3/4 of a yard. Look how pretty. And then the last one, I got 1 yard of this. It's called Night Garden Coral Labyrinth. And that's that. Guys, I only spent like $35 on all of this, so pretty excited. All right, guys, stick around. There's another unboxing, so there will be another video. And I'm going to do a giveaway really quick for those of you who made it this far. Anyone who can send me or put in the comments something with the word Utah, because that's where I live. I'm going to do a random drawing, and I'm going to do that tonight. So everything's going to wrap up tonight at midnight. So Utah has to be in the comments with at least 10 words. And I do want you to be a subscriber, and I will announce you tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.